ISAM 2019 is a perfect occasion for networking, meeting old friends and making new ones, and also get insight into the latest technology and scientific developments in the field of additive manufacturing.
The benefit of ISAM is shorten the lead time, especially from design to manufacture, and the complex component to achieve better performance.
Yeah, the ISAM 2019, this third conference, I think is a really important meeting for Germany and for the world because it brings a unique combination of research as well as industrial application to the forefront.
It's very good, such a kind of meeting. Compared with others, maybe this conference is the best.
Looking at the ISAM 2019, third time ISAM, third time I'm here for a reason. A good chance to do the networking. You see a lot of people talking from highly scientific to basic industrial applications. You can really find the situation which is outside in the market. There's a good mix of the whole situation. Networking capabilities are very good and good overview.
We had a great forum with very interesting presentations from different sectors, which I always admire to get some inspirations from others. And we had a podium discussion, which was really interesting, and we had great theses. And if you want to learn more about this, you have to come to ISAM either this year or next year.